Okay, let's start with the recording. Comencemos. To make an essay, in this case, we are gonna solve a problem. Okay, we have to follow we have to follow the format that is broken down in three parts: introduction, body, paragraphs, and the conclusion. Perfect. Now, in the first paragraph, in the introduction, we are going to introduce the problem. In the body paragraph, the causes and the solution, and in the conclusion, we are going to summarize our ideas. But we have to follow this diagram, the fishbone diagram. It is well done in other areas, in other fields. But the fishbone diagram, basically, here we are going to introduce the problem, and then we are gonna think about all the causes, as many causes better. Causes of that problem. And finally, we are gonna come up with a solution. This is the fishbone diagram that we use in industrial engineering or in other engineering field, in the engineering field, right? Okay. For example, in this case, the problem basically is, a ver, let me check. The problem is making relevant decision in the youth, in our youth. This essay was taken from this book plus B2. But let's check. Basically, in the first part, we introduce the problem, no? And it says the fact that they are required to have to make decisions that will very probably affect the rest of their life is one of the main causes of stress among adolescents. That's the problem. In the coming paragraphs, in the first paragraph, basically, many teenagers do not have any idea of what to take into consideration when choosing a career. They need help to identify talents, qualities that they have, which could make them more suitable for one kind of career than another. Another aspect, in this paragraph, basically, we are stating that there is a lack of information in every sense. In the third paragraph, basically we are giving her basically a solution. No, first of all, it is a good idea for students to speak with a guidance counselor. Why not? Here we are trying to help a student, trying to give him an idea to solve the problem. Perfect. And finally, in the last paragraph, we state, in short, if teenagers still face those difficulties, no, when comes to make decisions about the career that they want to follow, well, they say they should not worry too much because the most important thing is to study, keep studying. No? That's in short. Or we can say even when they do not, if they do not have enough information or if they have lack of information, well, they should look for someone to, or they have to look the right information, looking for someone to help them. In At the end, they are going to solve that problem. Basically, that's all. That this is the format that we follow to prepare our essay. That's all.